For decades, scientists believed they understood when humans first arrived in North America. According to this belief, the earliest settlement happened around 13,000 years ago. This timeline shaped textbooks, research papers, and archaeological thinking for generations. But recent discoveries are forcing scientists to rethink everything they thought they knew. One of the most surprising discoveries comes from a quiet region in Oregon. Here lies Rimrock Draw Rockshelter, located in Harney County, southeastern Oregon. Rimrock Draw is a shallow rock shelter formed naturally over thousands of years. The site sits on public land managed by the United States Bureau of Land Management. Archaeologists began carefully excavating this site starting in 2011. The excavation was led by the University of Oregon Archaeological Field School. They worked in partnership with the Bureau of Land Management to study the site. At first, Rimrock Draw appeared unremarkable compared to other ancient sites. But as digging continued, deeper sediment layers began revealing unexpected evidence. Stone tools, carefully shaped by human hands, appeared alongside the animal remains. Fragments of animal teeth were found buried deep beneath the surface. Some animal remains belong to extinct Ice Age species. Teeth from ancient camels and bison were identified by researchers. These animals once roamed North America during the last Ice Age. Among the most striking finds were orange stone scrapers made from agate. These stone scrapers were shaped with precision and clear intent. They were crafted from agate and chalcedony found in the region. One scraper revealed traces of dried bison blood on its surface. This provided rare evidence that the tools were actually used for processing animals. But the most important clue was not the tools themselves. It was where these tools were found within the sediment layers. Above the artifacts lay a thick layer of volcanic ash. This ash was produced by a massive Mount St. Helens eruption. That eruption occurred more than 15,000 years ago. Anything found beneath this ash must be even older. To determine exact ages, scientists used radiocarbon dating. Radiocarbon tests were conducted in 2018. They focused on tooth enamel from the ancient camel remains. The results were confirmed again through testing in 2023. Rimrock Draw suggests humans were here thousands of years earlier. This places human activity far earlier than previously accepted. It suggests people may have used the rock shelter even earlier. This timeline challenges the long-held Clovis first theory. For decades, Clovis culture was thought to represent the first Americans. This discovery pushes the timeline back into the Last Glacial Maximum, a time when ice sheets dominated much of North America. It shows humans survived and adapted to extremely harsh climates much earlier than thought. Some may have followed the Pacific coastline, while others moved through interior ice-free corridors. Evidence from Rimrock Draw challenges the idea of a single migration into the Americas. Other sites, like Cooper's Ferry in Idaho, also show human presence over 16,000 years ago. These findings suggest early people may have traveled along coastlines from Asia. Some stone tools in North America resemble Paleolithic tools from Northeast Asia. This indicates possible cultural and technological connections across continents. While Rimrock Draw is extremely old, it's not yet universally confirmed as the continent's first settlement. Some debated sites, like the White Sands footprints, are still in contention. Archaeologists continue excavations at Rimrock Draw every season. They are dating additional animal bones and stone tools. Like the whole leap. Ancient plant remains from huts are also studied to understand early diets. Each excavation season adds more pieces to the puzzle of early human life in North America. The findings show people hunted no-extinct animals with specialized tools. They survived extreme cold, ice-covered landscapes, and unpredictable environments. These early inhabitants were adaptable, resourceful, and resilient. The Rimrock Draw site helps rewrite the story of human migration into the Americas. It reveals a deeper, richer history than we imagined just a few decades ago. This site confirms humans were present in North America at least 18,000 years ago. These early settlers used stone tools to hunt, process animals, and survive. They faced enormous challenges, but adapted through ingenuity and skill. Every artifact, bone, and plant fragment tells a story about these early Americans. Archaeologists reconstruct the lives of people who lived tens of thousands of years ago. Their work reveals how humans survived extreme Ice Age conditions. It also sheds light on early migrations across North America. Sites like Rimrock Draw show that history is far older than previously believed. Each dig season uncovers new insights into diet, tools, and survival strategies. Researchers now consider multiple waves of migration, not just one. Some evidence even suggests cultural connections to Northeast Asia. But Rimrock Draw remains unique in its age and preservation. The site continues to be a critical focus for archaeologists and historians. It allows us to imagine life in a distant, Ice Age North America. People were hunters, gatherers, and innovators, shaping their environment. Each stone scraper, bone, and charcoal fragment holds valuable clues. Together, these clues form a picture of resilience and adaptation. The story of the first Americans is far from complete. Rimrock Draw reminds us that humans were already thriving here 18,000 years ago. The ongoing excavations will continue to reveal secrets of early American life. Each new find adds depth to our understanding of Ice Age North America. The story of these first settlers is a testament to human adaptability and innovation. Rimrock Draw shows that human history in the Americas is far older than once thought was, and this story is only beginning.